events are unfolding rapidly in Russia and in Ukraine that you're all aware of. And so those who are saying that this topic of great war is nonsense, there'll be no great war, they're now receding in the background, because everybody is warning now that there is the likelihood of nuclear war, in which 99% of those who fight in that war would be killed. Yes, so therefore it cannot be conventional warfare. If our prophet prophesied 99% of combatants being killed, it has to be a war using weapons of mass destruction. Now then, I have spoken on this subject again and again, but I want to bring it into a capsule today. What is the first step we must take to prepare for nuclear war? Answer: the first thing that you have to do as a believer in the one God, to prepare for nuclear war, is to banish the fear of death from your heart. The second way to prepare as people who follow Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, the second step in preparation for the Great War is to seek protection from the Quran. The third preparation for the Great War is you better find a good guide to guide you. There are bogus scholars out there, bogus, who gives you a version of Islam that the Western world doesn't feel any threat at all. It's like a Sunday lunch for them, that version of Islam that comes from these scholars. But if you follow the version of Islam that comes from someone who follows Khidr alayhi salam, someone who turns to the Quran to guide and to teach the people the reality of the world today, the Western world will hate you and despise you. So look for a scholar of integrity. The fourth one, preparation for the Great War, is you must stock up on blankets, on warm clothing, on food which is non-perishable, like canned food, stock up on water, stock up on firewood. I am stocking up on firewood. Stock up on lighters to light a fire. I have spoken a lot about this. The last thing I want to say is to direct attention. If no nuclear war takes place, who are those who are most vulnerable? And the answer: it's women and children who have no husband, no father, no man around them to protect them. So in the same way that I've always advised, when we have a large gathering, if any event takes place that causes panic, every single man who is present must now become the protector of every woman who is present. No man must seek to escape. No. If we have to die, we die, but we must protect our women and children who are present. That is the way of Islam.